In this video, we are going to be analysing HKD. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key resistance levels if we continue upwards? And as of right now, on the longer term timeframes, we do have a resistance at $450, $650, $766, and $1,000. And obviously, we do have some levels above that at $1,000 and $80, 1,400, and a final level at 1,750. But really, these are still all very far off, and that's why when we're looking at stock that has done such a crazy move, from $12 to 2,500, it's much easier to go onto a shorter term time frame, and then we can get some more accurate levels to where we are trading now. So we can see we do have a resistance at $317, and then we also have further resistance at $395. So these are much closer to where we are now and where we would be paying attention to if we were to continue up. But considering as well that it is up 58% today, it's up $110 on the day, this stock could quite easily continue, and it's one of the main reasons I personally don't trade this stock. So when we're doing this analysis, it's not biased in any way. I'm not shorting the stock, I'm not holding the stock long, I don't hold any options on it. I hold no money in this stock, so it doesn't affect me in which way this stock goes, but I just want to give you the levels I would be paying attention to. So again, resistance is 318, 395, 450, and that one's more key because that's from a longer term time frame. Then we're paying attention to the 475 and the 552 if this stock continues to go quite crazy to the upside. Now, if on the other hand we start pulling back, what are going to be key support levels? And I'll be paying attention to the $242, the $165, $85, and at an extreme push $8. But again, that one's probably not all that likely. But to go on to the longer term time frame, do we have any support levels to be paying attention to? And really the only one that lines up is our statistical mean, that is at a $242. So this level is key. If we see quite a harsh pullback, expect movement happening around 242. And again, you can trade that in either way. If you're a long bias, you can be playing the potential bounce off that level. If you're looking to short from that level, wait for it to break through, come back to retest, and then you can most likely short on the downside because that would most likely indicate that it was getting weaker. And one other support level we have is at $142. So obviously there is a lot of levels on this screen now. So the key focus is, can we break back above the 318? If so, we want to see a retest of this level as a support, and then we can expect to push to near enough $400. On the other hand, if we can't hold this 317, expect to push down to 242, and then we would want to see a break below it, come back to retest it, and if it's showing weak and selling pressure, then we could expect a push at a minimum to around $165. Anyway, that is the breakdown. If you did enjoy the video, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video here.